Hello, curl friends, wavy babes, and silver sisters. My name is Carrie-Jessica. I am so happy to have you. If you would not mind along the way, give this video a like, a hype, whatever the YouTube things are. I would appreciate it. We're a baby small channel and we would love to grow. Now, we're going to do a quick refresh. So let's start with what my hair was this morning. Now, if you watched my last video, this is day 2 of that hair. So we are embarking on reviving my very damaged, neglected hair. More so super neglected than damaged. Like I've not colored my hair, things like that. So this is just like neglected hair would probably be a better way to say it. So this is day 2. I have not refreshed my hair in many eons. So I'm kind of like starting over from scratch a little bit. Like I have like a base understanding of my hair because at one point I did understand my hair, but it's been 3 years. So hair changes and I've not been staying up with it to work with my hair as it is right now. With that said, I have not done a refresh on my hair in a very long time because I've just been like wash, condition, air dry, bun for years. So we're gonna refresh my hair today because I have a hair appointment and I want to go in. Obviously he's gonna see what my hair is, but I kind of want to give my hair the best impression that it can give. So I am gonna go get my hair damp and we're going to reapply the stylers that are already in my hair. The water should help like reactivate some of it, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we get. But I guess before that, we should just like take this out and see what we have like to start with. So the unveiling. I need to get like silk scrunchies, like so that I'm being gentle with it again. I've just like been grabbing whatever scrunchies are around my house. Okay, let's give it a whoo whoo. Okay, she's not bad. She's not bad. I have a little bit of like what's really happening at this very top that I might try to do. I don't know. Like I'm almost afraid to refresh because I don't want to make things worse. So instead of getting my hair damp, I'm just going to try to get it like the slightest bit damp. We're going just for like a glisten of water and not a dousing. So I'll be right back. All right, the next stage of our refresh. I did get my hair a little bit more wet than what I was planning on it. I did just like throw it up in this t-shirt. I mean, I guess it would be considered plopping, but like I didn't apply anything else other than water. So I guess we'll call this just like a little refresh and micro plop, getting from the sink back to the chair. I am going to go back in. We use the AG Hair Beach Balm, and I also used the mousse gel from AG Hair. I'm just gonna go with the Beach Balm. I'm not really looking for hold. I'm literally about to go get my hair done. We're just looking for hopefully making a good first impression. So let's go ahead and reapply a little bit of this on this damp hair. Now I always kind of panic with a refresh because it's like, am I going to make things frizzy or am I going to make things worse? So, you know, if you are new to the channel, just know that this is more of a let's do than a how to. We're just experimenting and trying to get my hair back to, you know, happy, healthy hair. I don't have all the answers. I am fumbling through it all. All right, I'm just going to kind of, a little bit praying hands, kind of, you know, gently doing a little this and that. All right, I'm gonna go through and just kind of scrunch and pulse a little bit of this in like the length and the body of it. All right, and then I am going to hit it with the diffuser on low heat, low speed, just to kind of get this a little bit dry and reset. Okay, it's dry. I have not scrunched it. I kind of want to give it a second to like make sure that it's actually dry, because sometimes with my diffuser it will feel dry as soon as yeah, like right here I feel like this is a little damp. Anyway, so we're going to give this a second just to kind of settle. So when I go in to hair appointments, I tend to not go in with an idea of like what I would like per se. I have an idea of like, I can show, hey, I like this. I feel like this is more flattering than this. But what I tend to go in and do is like give 3 things I don't want. And pretty much we can talk about anything between where I'm at now and shy of those 3 things. So I don't want micro bangs. I love bangs. I love bangs. My hair grows very fast. So even when I get bangs that are a little shorter than like where I want them to sit, it does not take long at all for them to be where I like. And then they kind of grow out to a nice curtain. very quickly. So I do like bangs, but micro bangs are not my thing. I also am not interested in a pixie. I feel like I loved my pixie. It was so fun, but there is an element of, I am approaching 50. I turned 50 in like, what, 2 months? My birthday's the day after Christmas. So I'm turning 50. There is such a stereotype of like, when you hit a certain age, you're kind of like supposed to cut your hair short. So because of that, I kind of am leaning more towards length than I ever really have, I think. So I would like to keep as much length as I can. What's something else that I don't want? Ooh, I do love an undercut. I love the way clippers feel. They feel so good. But I'm not interested in an undercut if it can be avoided. Now, if I sat in his chair and he's like, babes, your split ends are literally to your scalp, then, you know, we'll have that conversation. So I'm very excited to go in. I'm excited to hear where he thinks my hair is at, what he suggests to try to get the most out of where it's at, and what kind of cut he envisions for my hair. So I'm very excited. So next time you see, oh, I guess we should scrunch this out. I do like we have a lot of halo frizz, which again is fine because the volume, frizz equals volume, you know, they go hand in hand. But I might see if I can find something to put in my hair that kind of, like an accessory that kind of works with what we have going on. Okay, so I have a hairband. I can't remember. It is a curly girl creator that makes this headband. And I've been out of the loop for so long that I cannot think of it off the top of the cuff. So yeah, just throw them back in a pony for the moment. All right, let's see if we can't. What do we think about this? It gives a little bit distraction from the top frizz. I don't know, we'll see. I think this is how I'm gonna go. All right, guys, next time I see you, my hair will be cut. I'm so excited. I am back straight from the chair. By the time we were done, it looked like a gray shag carpet underneath of us. So much of my hair was cut off. And I really think that that was the bulk of what needed to happen. We had a ton of great conversations, but in it, just like saying that the fact that I've done nothing is actually better than if I had been doing a ton of stuff. So it was neglected, but not damaged. It had not been through the ringer. So just cutting off the weight of it, I feel like it sprung back very, very quickly. Let me give you like a 360 in a very squeaky chair. I love that in the back you can actually see that like the underneath of my hair, here, the underneath of my hair is darker than what's on top. And I feel like with the layers coming back into my hair, like you can see that again. And I didn't realize how much I missed that. Like that's kind of a fun thing that's unique to my hair, which is part of what I think is so awesome about growing out your natural color is like there's all kinds of these unique to you things about it. So that's been really fun to kind of like, oh yeah, that's right, I forgot about that. Okay, one thing I'm already noticing is I'm so used to like doing this with there being hair when like this, there's not really much of a reason to do that anymore. The next time I see you, we will be styling this hair for the first time. So we'll go through all of the same style products and the same exact routine that I did just the other video so that we can kind of compare just what the cut alone has done for the health of my hair. I'm very excited. I think it's going to be so much better than it was. I'm excited for it. It feels so much lighter. I'm so happy. Okay, but before then, do the YouTubey things, like, subscribe, hype. I don't even know what all we're supposed to do these days, but just do all of those things. And you have a good day and I'll have a good day and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye. Oh, I'll put some things here. Like if you're not subscribed, you can touch like a button over here. And if you want to check out something else that I've done, I'll put something else here. Bye.